When I got a chance to come back to the government setup, and I started using all those things which don't come naturally, unfortunately, in a government setup, is that looking after the patient, what he is wearing, is she being undressed in front of the people, and things like that. So I had fight with very senior people of gynae and obstetrics, because I found that they could undress a lady in front of 10 people. So I had a fight with the head of the department, and she would say in her typical voice, "Arey Rakesh, aa gaya, iske samne nahi kar sakte." So but the point is that I love that. When I left my practice was 20,000 rupees a month
at that time
in 1988, and I got into a job which gave me 3,700 rupees a month. But thanks to my wife, who was again a contented person, and she allowed me to do that. I could never think of leaving this job with Maulana Azad and Loknayak Hospital, the kind of patient which we were getting and the kind of students we were getting. It was just a matter of interacting with them and try to take from them what they had to offer in terms of creativity, and try to give them back whatever little you could get over the period of time.
As humble you are, and as कहते हैं कि जो ये नदियाँ होती हैं वो ज़्यादा शोर मचाती हैं, सागर हमेशा शांत होता है. So you will very well observe in this video that sir has this charming, quiet personality, but you will have lots of things to take from his talk when we talk about as a resident, as a practitioner, or any specialty. This is not going to restrict to anesthesia, pain or airway. It's going to go beyond everything.